To calculate the minimum conductor size for a control circuit, you can refer to NEC Table 430.248. The formula to determine the conductor size in American wire gauge or thousands of circular mils is 24 divided by the square root of the fuse rating in amps. This calculation is applicable when the short circuit and ground fault protection is provided by time delay fuses. Therefore, the fuse rating is used in the formula. For 250 horsepower 3-phase 460 volt motor, the full load current is approximately equal to the horsepower multiplied by 746 watts per horsepower divided by the volts multiplied by the square root of 3 multiplied by the efficiency. Assuming an efficiency of 90%, the full load current is equal to 250 horsepower multiplied by 746 watts per horsepower divided by 460 volts multiplied by the square root of 3 multiplied by 0.9, which is approximately 347 amps. Time delay fuses are typically sized at 300% or more of the full load current for motor circuits. Assuming a 300% fuse factor, the fuse rating is equal to 347 amps multiplied by 3, which equals 1041 amps. Now, we can calculate the conductor size for the control circuit. The conductor size is equal to 24 divided by the square root of 1041 amps, which is approximately 0.743 circular inches or 743,000 circular mils. The closest standard size is 750 kc mil. The result in the original question of 250 kc mil does not agree with this standard calculation based on NEC. To connect large conductors such as 250 kc mil to push-button screws, use a wire nut or crimp connector to connect the large conductor to a smaller gauge conductor such as American wire gauge 12 that can be directly connected to the push-button screws. Another method is to use a terminal block with the appropriate screw size to connect the 250 kc mil conductor. Then connect the smaller gauge conductor to the output terminals of the terminal block, which can then be connected to the push-button screws. Or use a lug connector to crimp the 250 kc mil conductor and connect it to a bolt on the push-button enclosure. Then connect the smaller gauge conductor to the bolt, which will provide the electrical connection to the push-button.